Hello and welcome to your Duke Energy storefront training session. Today you are going to see the unique storefront that was designed with you in mind. This is your central repository for all of your approved communication assets in one place with one login, gives you access to everything you need. So let's get started. You see here my username and password, which will be given to you. It's typically your email address and the unique password. Now, per usual, you can always click Forget Password so that you can log in if you forget your password. Here we are. You see here at the top, let's orient ourselves a little bit. You see here at the top, there is site support Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can see here there is an email address for you and a phone number. You'll see here at the top your home screen, which is where we are. There's a shopping cart that allows you to review the items that have yet to be ordered, but that you've saved in your cart. You can review all of your orders. There's a library of images. There's a profile that's you and your information. There's a production schedule. There's a user job aid, which helps you give you some reference in a PDF form of how to maneuver through the site. And then, of course, a reporting job aid, which is similar to the user job aid, which is a PDF that gives you access to information about how to get things done. Let's get started with the demonstration. These are two templates that are available in this demo. When you get into the real site, you'll notice that there will be multiple options here in terms of templates to get started. For this demonstration, we'll pick the postcard. You see here it gives you a quick view of the item. You can scroll to the next page. Because it's a postcard, of course, it just has 2 pages. If you want to see a PDF preview of this template prior to adding any customization or personalization, you can simply click here and it will give you that view in a separate window. So we'll go ahead and close that. Down here at the bottom, you'll see Next Step. This is where you're adding your mailing list. When you click Upload a Data List, here is where you can download the sample data list if you need one to get your list started. If the list is already available to you and housed on a shared file or on your desktop, you simply click into the Choose File, choose the file, and there it goes. It is uploaded. Very simple. Hit Submit, and here you have a preview of those data fields that you just uploaded. You simply click Submit, and you'll see here 350 records have been added. I'm going to click Next Step. Now it is processing the data, which requires CAS, which is a certification of the data, and a validation check. So yes, I would like to process this data. Now it's performing the CAS, and you'll see here, these are the results. I uploaded 350 contacts. 39 of them were non-mailable, which means 39 would fail to go through the United States Postal Service. And so we removed those 39 for a total mailing of 311 postcards. If you want the non-mailable report, you can simply click here, and it downloaded that directly to my desktop. This would allow you to update your records or send them to the right group to update records. Okay, so at this point, the data has been processed, and it's asking, do you want to keep the non-mailable records? And it will force first class, or do you want to keep them? So in this case, let's go ahead and remove them, and it's going to give us first class, and it will move you through the process based on the number of mailable records. In this case, it does allow us to click standard. We can give a specified mail date. You can view a description of mail classes if you are unsure of what you are agreeing to. You can include a rush fee if that's part of your protocol. So you simply make your selections and click continue. Okay, now we can preview our proofs. Again, just like before with the templates when we reviewed the PDF, this now gives you a composed proof where you can see the information from the data file has been added into this postcard, and it gives you a sample of 20 records. If you want to share this proof with someone on your team, you can do so right from there. You can click Next Step. Again, now this gives you your price estimate. Here's your accounting information is going to automatically put the operating unit that is associated with your profile, a responsibility center, a process code. If you have a specific project number to include and an activity code to include, put it right there. Now this is asking for your approval that you have reviewed the proofs and you're ready to go. If you want to review the terms and conditions, you can do so here. So if I had added a project number and an activity code, I would simply update the information here and then proceed. Next step. Here is my demonstration postcard. Again, I can do yet another PDF approval, or in this case, I'm ready to go. I'm adding it to the cart. All right, I can now go to my shopping cart. And I can see that my demonstration postcard has been included. And here it is. I can proceed to checkout. And these are all of my projects that I have here. All right, this is my total for this project. It has included my billing information. And this is where I can then add my payment information and add this information in. Whoops, see, it tells me I did not have the right information to process the order because I didn't put a live payment information in there for my credit card. So for the purposes of this demonstration, we'll stop here. But as you can imagine, you are going to add your credit card type, your credit card information, and proceed to checkout and complete the order. I can always cancel my checkout or come back into my shopping cart and make any changes that I want to those items. Okay, so for review, let's look at any orders that you have processed. For the purposes of this demonstration, we do not have orders. Here is your library. If you have particular images to upload, if you want to add any information into the library, that will be rights-based. And so if your group allows for that, you will have information available in the library. If you need to change anything about your profile, you can do it here. You can edit your profile and add the information. This is all populated for you. But if by chance something changes, you can do so here. You can monitor or understand what the production schedule is. And this gives you all of that information of how many pieces you have and how many days you can expect for your production schedule. And all information is included here. As I mentioned in the beginning, here is your user job aid that walks you through as a PDF. You can download this to your desktop and use it whenever you need to. This will walk you through how to use this product. And your reporting job aid for administrators. This completes your training for your custom Duke Energy storefront with all of your compliant assets. Thanks for listening.